Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of exploring R in bioinformatics. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about explore R in bioinformatics? Well, my friend, let me tell you, this is one of the most crucial aspects of modern research and data analysis in the biological science. So buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown. If you haven't already subscribed my channel, I encourage you to do so for the most up-to-date videos and the solution related to the bioinformatics. In the preceding video, we covered the functions in R. Now in this video, we delve into discussing data structure in R. So let's establish a variable named days. This variable, I already assemble a collection of days ranging from 1 to 12. You can see there is one more function is given, which is named dim, that is called dimension. So what actually the dimension is, it's an array, dimension of an array, which refers to the number of indices or subscripts required to access its elements. Okay, so now if we can run this function, you can see, uh, okay, so nowadays, yeah, you can see. So when we will execute it, it forms a matrix, and with 12 entries, you can clearly see in the dimension of 3 comma 4. Okay, 3 column and 4 rows. Okay, so let's call some specific days like we did in previous videos. So with the days variable, square bracket 2 comma 3. So the variable is 8, 2 from column and 3 is row. Sorry, 2 is row and 3 is column. So the number digit is 8. You can check with 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4. Any digit you want to check, you can go through with that. Now we create a list with this function, with create a list with this variable days. So we can create another variable with a similar name like days1 or d1, whatever you can take, and put all the collection of days ranging from 1 to 12 there, and we can later we can compare like how it is different or it can be similar. Why should I typing again if you can copy from C collection from 1 to 12, and then yeah, so there is no error, and yeah, okay. So now we can create a matrix also. Let's create some matrix also. In matrix we can create another variable with days 2 or d2, whatever you can prefer. Days 2, what we are creating, matrix. Okay, so now it's a matrix. Okay, so matrix, and here we can give the data. What will be is our, what is our data? Data is our c2 12, and now we are giving c2 12. Okay, so okay, so you know the array comes in the form of rows and columns, so where we give the value to our dimension, and in list you can clearly see the list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, And in matrix you also know that what actually the matrix form in 2D forms, it also having rows and columns. So if you have any confusion, you can also go with the question mark for the documentation. So matrix to check like the syntax, matrix data n row and column. So instead of dimension we can write n row is equal to how many rows you want. You can choose up to your data, like 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows. It totally depends on the your data. Okay, so I choose 3 rows and number of column, uh, number of column, wait a minute, yeah, now it's more comfortable. Number of column is equal to 4 and run this program. Okay, so we comment this out and days 2. So now we can run. So now, yeah, we can check there are 4 rows and 3 column. Okay, so now you can clearly understood the difference between array and matrix. So yeah, you can see I also changed the values of rows and columns, so the result will be like this. Okay, so as you can see, we can see some similar result if we use the same rows and columns in matrix and array, because they are in 2D. So now you can also make a 3D array, but you can't make a 2D 3D matrix, because matrix can only be a 2D. So let's discuss about the 3D array. So first we have to create a 3D array with dimension 2 comma 3 comma 4. So my 3D array. Okay, so upper we already know how we can create an array. So here instead of giving 1 2 3 4, so I am already giving the ranging from 1 to 24, 1 semicolon 24 in dimension of 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, so now my command will be the run and my 3D array will be this. So now you can see the result. In my 3D array I give 2 number of columns and 3 number of rows and 4 number of into 4 segments. So like for first it will be like this, second, third and fourth up to 24. Okay, so now we can pull some specific numbers from them like we did in previous video, but now we can do with the array. So my 3D array square bracket 2 comma 2 comma 2. So this means second and second, so number of column, number of rows and number of segment, like from second array. Okay, from second array we receive 10, so we can go to the second array, number of rows and number of column 10. Okay, you can change it, like if you want from the third array, so it will be the 16. You can see you can switch to 1. Okay, but if you want to pull entire row or entire column, first we go with the entire row. So my 3D array is 1 comma blank comma whichever array you want. 4, so in 4 19 21 23. Okay, and what if you need the entire column? So my 3D array is blank comma from second row or third or from the first array. So the value will be the 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 we can check. 1 third blank, third column, third row, and first array, 5 and 6. So guys, that's it for the today, and in the next video we will discuss about the data frames. Additionally, in future playlist we will provide practical demonstration of working with bioinformatics in R. If you haven't already subscribed my channel, I encourage you to do so for the most up-to-date videos and solutions related to bioinformatics. Thank you and see you in the next video.